An unbelievable morning so far. It is the second trading day of the year. So it's starting to heat up a little bit. We do have some economic data coming out today. We are going to be getting the Fed minutes, the FOMC minutes. Now, before everybody asks the same question of what time does Powell speak, Powell is not speaking today. This is just a written report or a recap of what was basically covered in the last closed door Fed meeting. So nothing really all that new, but these statements and these reiterations could be market moving. So at 2 p.m. today, we're going to be getting the FOMC minutes. Now, here is where things get very interesting today, folks. Actually, let me just share my screen over here so that you guys can actually see what we're looking at. So looking at this right here, if you look right here at 10 a.m., we're going to be getting ISM manufacturing, then job openings and job quits. At 10 a.m. today, we're most likely going to see a move. Usually when we see some of these pieces of economic data coming out at 9:45 or 10, I'm like, well, they could move. You might see it be a dud. These I do think are actually going to move the market around. Job openings, job quits, and then we have FOMC minutes at 2. So we easily could be in for some pretty significant volatility today. So again, guys, for those of you guys that are filtering in right now, make sure that you guys are dropping some likes on this stream. Again, these morning streams are public, helps get these streams out to some more people. We're trying to help people learn how to actually really gain the skills in order to make money in this market over here. So if you do like what we're doing, make sure you guys hit that like button and let's get after it. So let's see. We are going to be getting Gabe on here in about 15 minutes as well. So that'll be fun. Good morning, gang. What's up, team? How we doing? Woo! Today is going to be a fun day. I'm pumped. Diana, Ryan, the Lion, Earl, Jack's dad, Dakota, Tabasco, X-Ray, Logan, Mr. J, Edward, Lori, Daily Taylor, Christian, Drew. Fuck yeah, guys. What's up, everybody? Make sure you guys are running up the likes on the stream. Let's get after it, dude. Let's have a fucking day, huh? All right. So Tessie's up about what? 1.3. We got Spy up here a little bit. Actually, I got to refresh these a little bit to get my levels back. Get my levels back up here. Let's see what we're getting. Hold on. Hold your horses. All right, let's see. Spy's above that 382.50 level there. We're up about 0.61% in the pre-market. It'd be very interesting if we saw some bullishness up to 385.15 here and then a nice hard rejection. That'd be interesting. Did you see the ankle bat signal? I did not. What was the ankle bat signal? Interesting. I found this group and I trade on my own, but I love just listening to the live every morning. Jordan, we appreciate you, buddy. We appreciate you in here, dude. And again, for those of you guys that need another reminder, the 2-week free trial to platform is still live. That is linked at the top of the live chat over there. You guys get access to all the proprietary algorithms, all of the alerts, all the unusual options activity, the learning curriculum, everything. And we have some really cool stuff coming. So let's get after it, man. You'll post it later. Yeah, I didn't see that one. All right, team. This is going to be fun. Microsoft has a heavy stake in ChatGPT. Came out late yesterday that they are working on a search engine utilizing ChatGPT. Thoughts? That would hurt Google. Here's interesting. I mean, that would hurt Google. 2-week free trial, homie. No charge until after the first 2 weeks. Well worth it. Ryan the Line. Appreciate you, buddy. All right, folks. We're going to have some fun today, huh? Yeah, everybody ready to witness some of this crazy volatility that we're going to see? Actually, this is what we got to watch after 10. So right now there's a 72.3% probability that there's going to be a 25 basis point rate hike at the February Fed meeting. If this moves around a little bit, that's going to be market moving. And you're also going to see the dollar and the bonds move around a little bit here too. So we'll be watching the 10-year. We'll be watching the dollar. Dollar's not really doing a whole lot. I mean, it was selling off. What was this? Yesterday? Or no, this is this morning. Ooh, that's interesting. All righty. Let's go, people. Dork, what's up, buddy? What is up, team? How's everybody doing? We doing good? Everybody having a good morning? Ready to make some money again? Guys, here's the thing. I saw you guys printing yesterday, and I was in utter shock. It's like a good shock. Like, I know you guys can do this, and that's what our system is for. But like looking at what you guys have been doing in terms of the community gains and where your accounts are going, it's fucking amazing, dude. What's the new announcement from yesterday? Gabe and I are going to be doing these morning live streams public every single day. But again, and then the afternoon streams are going to go private. And for those of you guys that are in the community, be on the lookout. in the latest content channel of the Discord for a gem of a video dropping at 12 today. I'm early releasing it to you guys at 12. It's going to go out to the public tonight at like 6. But you guys get basically 6 hours ahead. So you guys get to go watch it, learn. You get an extra 6 hours ahead of everybody else. Let's see. 19 more trading days this month. Ooh, ankle video. It's not an ankle video. 3.8% yesterday was a great way to start off the year. Marky Mark. That's what I like to hear, bro. That is what I like to hear. I was basically flat yesterday with that Apple bullshit. What the? Oops. Drinking the espresso, waking up 1.5% on the portfolio yesterday. Base hits, ready for a homer today. Okay, let's relax. But risk management mindset, method, money management. Thank you. At least somebody's listening to me, bro. Maintain. Does that mean what would Jordan Belfort do? Is that what you're saying? I don't really think that should be a thing. Hit 2% yesterday. Looking forward to today. Dude, you guys are crushing it, man. Microsoft, there was bad news. Yeah, but the Chat GPT thing, like, are they hold on. Workers union debut, reportedly building a version of Bing that uses the tech behind Chat GPT. I think that's wildly bullish, just in my opinion. I think that's huge because that's a direct. No, don't be an asshole. How in the? That's not what happened. This should not be here. This should be up here, bro. Nonsense. This is here. It's like 385.50. Yeah. Oh, Joseph Burns. Oh, I was like, I don't think we should be saying what would Jordan Belfort do. I think that would be probably a bad way to live life, you know? Probably not the best way to do things, you know? Hit QQQ puts 19% up on the portfolio. Thanks, 1348. It's the truth, man. You guys all get access to your 2-week free trials. It's up to you if you're really going to take that step and take advantage of all the amazing tools that we offer you guys. So again, that's linked in the top of the live chat, but it's up to you. Let's see. The Invictus charts and they never match. These charts right here, Manny. Are you talking about these? This is Webull. This is TradingView. The TradingView ones will match. I have to update these with the new stuff that you guys have. My TradingView is just broken. So I have to fix it. But you guys all have the updated charts. Doing anything other than what the chart says is dangerous? Yeah. Men lie, women lie. Charts do not. 6.5% yesterday would have been more, but I was stupid in the first 35 minutes of market open. Holy shit, dude. Luke Slowwalker. What's up, buddy? All right, let's see. What's going on Twitter? Are we getting any news? I mean, the market's really just going to be bracing for job openings, job quits, and FOMC minutes. That's really what we're looking for here. Oh, dude, I also have a fire TikTok for you guys today, too. TikTok and Instagram Reels. I might even throw it out on Twitter tomorrow, which is what I'm going to do. And then might throw it on as like a YouTube short as well. Let's see. Whatever. YOLO. Why is the Webull one a bit different? What do you mean by a bit different? Are you talking about in terms of like the EMAs? They're slightly different, but nothing. They're not wildly off. Your edge is only as sharp as your discipline. That's awesome, my 10. I love your TikToks. Thank you, Lori. This one's a little bit different, but I think you're going to like it a lot. Jobs numbers at 9. They're at 10 Eastern. 10. Well, it's job openings, job quits. It's not claims. Claims is tomorrow. Let's see. Dude, it's like so like fucking rainy and shitty here, bro. Like this is just nonsense. The weather sucks. New MACD settings really chill things out a nice bit. Yeah, that's why dude, for the reversal strategy, it's gnarly. Traded yesterday, stuck at the airport delays, printed for fun. That's awesome, dude. You stacked up your TikTok on your TikTok this weekend? Oh, are you talking about like 1348 stuff? Nice, bro. Tag me in them. I'll see it. I'll like them. I'll repost them. I'll download them, throw them on my Instagram story. I got you. If the family is safe, it's always a sunny day. Fair enough, buddy. Let's see. Depending on price action, may take a spy, strangle, or straddle. For the minutes, we could see. I mean, I don't really like doing that stuff. I mean, when we have days like this, I like to be pretty hands off. And I'm telling you guys, the video at 12 today is going to really, really help you guys. Like it was something that we've been talking about a lot that I put into like a 10-minute video, and I need you guys to hear it. Like it's just as important as the reversal strategy video, the stop loss strategy video, and the risk management video, which are all linked in the description here as well. Any news you missed this morning? Not yet. We're gonna the big pieces of news are coming out at 10. Chop City incoming. I would have to agree with that. I'm not gonna take any trades until after 10. Zero. And I've said it now. So now I have to maintain my discipline and then stick to it. Even if we see crazy moves, no. You got nonsense coming in with ISM manufacturing, job openings, job quits, and then FOMC minutes at 2. I expect volatility today, but we will see. Tesla to 500. No. That's not how that works, Augustine. Damn, team. We got a lot of you guys in here already to start off the day. We've only been live for like 10 minutes. Everybody, again, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the stream on your way in here, helps out a whole lot, getting these streams out to some more people. Yeah, helps out a whole lot, man. We're almost at 100. We're 40 away from 100. Let's see if we can get there in like the next minute. You guys used to be nuts on the like. I mean, you guys have been crushing it. So in the market, on the streams, you guys are really taking things to the next level. I love it. Let's see. Cream donuts? I don't know. I like donuts. Nice in Texas this morning. Nice, bro. All right, team. So we're getting maybe a little retest of 382.50 in the pre-market here. Can you do a TikTok cow licking hairstyle tutorial? Probably, but it's not really going to be that applicable to anybody else but me. So, spy calls or puts. Yes. Dude, here again, this is another TikTok I have to make. I don't care. I'm not predicting it. I'm not like this pre-market action is not telling me where the market wants to go. Okay, Dimitri, I know you're asking just to get like a little bit of an insight, but here's what I would like you to think about instead. It's not so much predicting it before the market happens or listening to what I have to say. You should view my opinion as about price action as relatively irrelevant. What you should put more emphasis on is like strategy. So what do we, in context of the market, so what do we know is happening today? We have job openings, job quits, FOMC minutes, and ISM manufacturing. So that will typically cause me to say, if I'm going to take trades, got to be a little bit more careful. Still trade it the exact same way with the stop loss strategy, but like relax a little bit with it because you can see some wild nonsense happen. And we have not seen any price action that's telling us where the market actually wants to go. Right now, if you were to pick a side, it's 50-50 in a gamble. People thirsty to have other people trade their port. Yeah, I mean, we're going to talk about that in one of the short form videos too, the follow trading stuff. It's all bullshit. People like to, and this is the thing, humans are always going to like to take the path of least resistance. So even if you say that you're like these people are saying that they're focused on education, it doesn't matter if you're just handing them a trade because there's not enough time for them to learn, analyze, and know if the trade's good or bad. So they're just going to default to taking the trade. It's bad. And trading is not a gamble. Stick to data. Exactly. It's all about risk. It's all about risk management. Let's see here. Ooh, wow. Jesus, guys. We're 9 likes away from 100. Holy shit. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you. Nothing wrong with going half size or taking days off. Multiple year process. 100%. You're using OBV with the ADX? I probably wouldn't use OBV, Christopher. I don't really like it. Here, I like to keep it very simple, Christopher. Like people like to say that like RSI and MACD are lagging indicators. Cool. Do you know what those lagging indicators do, they make me lots of money with the reversal strategy. So I like to keep it very, very, very simple with very defined levels of risk. Do you use Webull desktop to trade? No, I use mobile. I'm quicker on mobile, and I know how the UI works very well, and I can just zip around it super quick. That's why I like it. All right, folks. Let's get after it today. We got 30 minutes into open. Gabe's going to be coming on in a minute here too to drop some knowledge on us. And remember, you guys get that gem of a video at 12. Everybody in there, everybody in the community gets first access. I also want to highlight Invictus. So yesterday, and this is something that I want to go over with you guys as well. Again, we're talking a lot about strategy here, psychology, emotional, and risk management. I want you to look at this right here. When was the first Invictus alert yesterday? 12:42. Uber, we actually talk about this alert in the video. So 12:42. And then all of these crosses, except for like the last one or two, crossed. So what does this say about trading or in the market? If you miss the morning move or you don't like the risk that you need to take in the morning in order to get into some of these trades, there is always another trade coming. What most people do and what most retail traders or investors will do is that they get so scared of not being able to find another trade, and they're not able to say, I'm going to secure this base hit because I know and I have confidence in my system that it's going to bring me another very, very solid setup. Invictus is another really, really, really good example of this. Let's do a little quick check-in on Trader Joe over here. Trader Joe is up 13% since inception on April 21st. So it was up 14% last year, which is awesome. It sparked the market, guys. So again, if you guys do want access to our platform completely for free for 2 weeks, make sure you guys check out that link at the top of the live chat over there. You get Invictus 3-minute crosses, predictive dailies, which is essentially what Pythagoras is using to trade. So it's predicting the crosses on the daily time frame before they happen, meaning that you can front run the crosses by days. That's filthy. 4-hour and daily crosses, the normal ones. Trader Joe, you get all those alerts, compounding calculator, and you get real-time unusual options activity as well. When we come over here, you can type in Apple and you get all of the unusual options activity. And if you click on any stock right here, let's just go to Invictus from yesterday, quick drawer. You get all of the strategic options, the strikes and expirations that make the most sense. Again, if you guys have watched the videos, the 1 day to expiration, not going to make a whole lot of sense. 3 days. That's a bit interesting here. This is IWM. Why is this IWM? Oh, because this is IWM. That's why. So it's going to give you all these expiration dates here and all the latest news that is going to be affecting that stock. So it's an all-in-one platform right now for retail, and we're going to continue to add amazing things to that. So I'll throw that link for you guys in here as well. Let's see. There it is. Here's that link, team. Make sure you guys are hopping in there. 2 weeks for completely free. Need a video breaking down how to use unusual options data like I'm 3. Okay, so I could do it right now, but we might have something cooking that would make more sense to push it a little bit, delay it. Hey man, hope your holidays were less wild. Hit me up now. Hopefully you're less slammed. All right, Hork, I got you, buddy. Yep, let's do it. Oh yes, we do have to do that. We do have to do that. That'll be fun. You think we're getting shorted? The stream cut out there? Oh, that's annoying. Jay, what's up, bud? How you doing? All right, team. Keep running up the likes on the stream. You guys are fucking crushing it. I love each and every one of you. Morning, y'all. Romago, what's up, buddy? Good morning, SCV and the rest. Callie, what's up, team? How we doing? Ooh, I think I saw the bloop bloop. Here we go. All right, guys. Everybody, give a nice warm welcome to Gabe. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good morning.
Oops, that's not what we wanted to do. That's also not what we wanted to do. Hold on. Boom. There we go. Hello.
Good morning. Good morning.
I think your hold on, let me look and see how this is coming through. I think your white balance or something is off. You look very tan.
Yeah, it's yeah. So I gotta fix that. Something's off this morning. It's always something.
Yeah.
There's always something. I'm
Whew.
like, screw it, I'll fix it for the stream. Next
Yeah.
stream.
Dude, we have a big day ahead. We have
Oh,
a
we
re-
do.
we have ISM manufacturing at 10, job openings and job quits also at 10, and then we have the FOMC minutes at 2.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Oh yeah. I'm probably not going to do anything until 10. Just waiting to see what that data says if the market wants to pick a direction after that. And then probably sit out the minutes unless there's going to be some crazy move that happens into the end of the day.
Okay. All right. Well, this is interesting. Well, what I want to do is just really just go over support and resistance before we open at 9:30.
Yep.
It'd be great to have that bit of information arm you guys with it. I'm also not playing until 10. Just putting it out there.
Yeah. I personally just don't think it makes sense to with all this data coming out. I mean, this is the job openings, job quits data is the data that we've seen just pump the market recently. Because everybody then just starts screaming pivot and then the market runs. So we'll see what actually happens, but that's the risk with what's going on at 10. So like you could see the market selling off and then your inputs, and then all of a sudden the data comes out and it's like, oh my God, the pivot narrative comes back.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Uh so looking at the SPY right now though, the SPY just happens to be within yesterday's range, and you can see you got levels of resistance that have been created at 382.80.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
And okay, this is going to be interesting.
And it's retesting that 382.50 level that I've been looking for. I mean, you could see it run all the way up to like 385.40, 385.50 if it wants to run. That's kind of where I see it potentially topping out. But the data can turbocharge it in either direction. So we'll see.
We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Someone mentioned MU. What's going on with MU?
I think a lot of you guys have been trading a decent. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, Micron up 5%. So here's what I would be looking for on Micron. What's the first thing when you see these in the morning? What's the news on it? Micron has nearly 30% upside as Daiwa sees memory market close to bottoming. Okay, so there's decent news. This is so it's a bunch of price target upgrades. So what I would be looking for here is that it doesn't appear that there's any giant crazy news that's come out. So what do we look for, team? Signs of a reversal later in the day. That's what I would be looking for on Micron.
Yes. Yes. That gap up's kind of filthy.
Yeah, that's pretty nuts.
The question is, did we see that with the AMDs and NVIDIAs?
NVIDIA's only up like 1.8%. It's not 5. I don't know what AMD's probably up a little.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, 1.66. I mean, those are looking like interesting for reversals too, but Micron's probably the one that I would focus in on. And then I think somebody was bringing up Baba as well. Oh shit. Baba, 6.75% gap up. So, look at this. Baba on the daily. It's hunting that 200 EMA here at, what is that? Oh, hold your horses. Look at this. Baba, looking interesting here. If you throw this on the daily, it's breaching the 200 EMA. The next level of resistance is 104.75. I mean, it's probably not doing that today, but you could see it break up, retest that 200, and then chop its way up to that 104.
Yes. I'd be looking for a reversal with Baba.
I would too. The only thing that's been pissing me off a little bit with Baba is the spreads. So when I use the stop loss strategy, what it'll do is you effectively need to see the ask come down to the stop price that you've set, and that messes with the fills a little.
Okay.
So that's the only thing on Baba that makes it's just frustrating sometimes with it. You can hit some really good ones, like we've hit some dirty Baba trades, but that's the thing you got to be a little bit careful of is the spreads on Baba.
Okay.
The hunt reversal on Baba, yeah, we definitely could. Definitely could. I would say if it's going to, where's the 200? 90. Okay. I mean, I would love to see Baba run up, test 100, chop, and then you could see it slowly fizzle its way down to the 200 EMA on the daily. How's the 4-hour look? What's this? Okay. That's interesting there. Dude, also Invictus, 85% yesterday.
Yes, that was really, really impressive. Okay, I just want to break down MU really, really quickly. Right now, let's the 4-hour, we have a potential cross with the 4-hour. We also have the 200 EMA at 53.88.
Yep.
I don't see much room for this to run. I definitely would be looking at MU and playing the downside. Usually when things like this pump, they usually dump, right? So
Yep. It's a wild card day though today. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So like if the data comes out positive, the reversals may not be as strong. So like if Micron's already up and then the market starts to react positively off of the data, it could give it an extra little turbo, like a turbocharge to the upside. And it could be one of those days where you start to see it flash the signs of a reversal and it just rims the 13 or flashes it and
yeah,
just
the
kind of
whole
chops
damn
around.
day, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So SPY's going to chop until jobs data. It could. I mean, I don't really care what it does. I'm not really looking to trade anything until after it. It can do whatever the fuck it wants. Like if it's going to run around and do all sorts of crazy shit before the jobs data and what is it? ISM, was it services? Manufacturing? I mean, it can do whatever it wants. I think the real move is going to come after 10. Let it pick its direction, guys. Again, I know a lot of you guys like to get your like prediction or bias. Let the chart tell you what it's going to do. Relax, take a step back, make sure that if you're going to be taking a trade, you've watched that risk management video. Again, I've linked the holy trinity of videos in the description of this video, and you guys are getting another one at 12 today. Well, anybody that's not in the community is not getting it at 12. You guys will get it at 6 tonight. Yeah, Micron, it's up there. That is up there.
Yeah. I almost I'm going to keep my mouth shut on Micron, but I'll just leave it at this. It's something I'm definitely going to excuse me, pay attention to this morning.
Yeah, me too. We could probably leave that up. Maybe we'll put Micron down here instead of Nvidia. So we'll throw Tesla up here and then we'll throw Micron down below. Just see. Ooh, Tesla's slipping a little in the pre-market here.
And Tesla's chasing Neo.
Dude, I mean, there's a lot of talk about Tesla right now. I personally, I don't know what this, I'd have to look into it and actually like look at the growth rates of what they've been doing. But I just think that S curve is getting there. The growth rate, and I'm talking about growth rates on an S curve, not like their actual deliveries, things like that, like the growth rate of their deliveries. So it's like the derivative of it.
Well, the only thing Tesla has in its arsenal would not be their vehicles, their current model lineup, right? It would actually be their tractors. And I think as they begin to produce those and basically companies like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, those guys begin to adopt that technology.
Yep.
I really think that that's what's going to set Tesla to the moon. So until then, it is what it is.
Yeah. I agree with that. I mean, Elon's got a lot on his plate right now too, especially with the Twitter deal. And we've kind of seen, I mean, I hate to put the tinfoil hat on. The powers that be do not like when people kind of go against the typical way of thinking of what they want people to essentially be thinking. So it could be what's going on with Tesla right now with Elon. I don't know, but Elon could have some issues for a little bit. Could provide for a really good buying opportunity, but I guess we'll just see. I mean, again, it's the market's a zero sum game. We'll see who wins.
I know I'm winning.
I know you are.
Oh my god. So dude, it's a new year, so I decided to have fun, right?
Mhm.
And uh I'm going back to remember we had talked about doing the $10,000 challenge.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, let me give this a try. Oh my god. You know what? I think I'm gonna give this out to the community. I think some of you are better traders than I am because I'm just way too conservative. I'm like my little $10,000 port. I'm like, yeah, I'm happy seeing $74.
I think that's good though. And this is what a lot of people need to realize. It's like those are really good gains every single day. Like 0.74% on an account is awesome. Look at that compounded. Like a lot of people with smaller accounts are going to think, and we were talking to, I forget his name, but it was last week when we were doing the call-ins. He was saying, I feel like I just need one big hit in order to get myself to a certain level. And that's not what it's about. It's about slow compounding gains. And I mean, to get ready, yeah, at 12, guys, be on the lookout on the latest content channel. I've got a gem for you. I recorded it last night and I was like, this is a good one. You guys are gonna like this one.
Touching my inner degen, no. I guess I just I realized, like, man, a smaller port, you have to be even more conservative than
Mhm,
with a bigger port. Like, I mean, everything is scalable, but I found myself being even more um conservative, and maybe also because I want to be able to highlight the strength of 1348 over a year's time.
mhm.
So this is, going to be a year's journey, and I really want to blow this thing up. But I'm like, uh, look, it's just day one. I guess the market wasn't moving the way I needed it to, and sort of. So I just took what the market gave me. But
Mhm.
oh my god, I don't know how you guys pull off those 40, 50, 120% gains. I just I couldn't stomach it. Even with my experience at a $10,000 port, no way in hell. There's no way in hell I could stomach it.
Yeah. It's a different game. I mean, when you're trading your big account, it like if you're trading with like, I don't know, like a $25,000 position size or like around there, you make
Yeah,
10%, you're up
and
$2,500 for the day. I mean, that's solid, dude. Like that's like crazy, just bing, bing, bing. And those 10%, 5% gainers are decently easy to come by.
yeah, yeah, very, very, very easy. Like guys, so I only trade with 250,000 period. That's what my trading account is, right? Anything in excess, I pay bills with and I take it, put it in my long port. But holy hell, the game is different because half a percent of 20 of a $25,000 is, $125 or something like that, right?
Mhm.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
Like, oh, $125 in less than half a minute. And they tend to put it on I compare it to hourly wages. That's the way I trade. I keep myself like super humble with that mindset.
Mhm.
I made $125 in 3 seconds. Like
Yeah.
so that's how I trade. But doing it on a $10,000 port is very, very different. I'm actually even more conservative. I'm actually even I'm less risky.
Mhm.
Only because it's a smaller port. I feel like I don't have room to fuck up.
Yeah. They so in the difference there is if you think about dollar amounts, we like to put things in the view of percentages because that's what really matters. But if you have like a large account, you can actually under allocate and take on less risk in terms of your overall account, and the percentages will yield you a favorable dollar amount, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So let me see here. I think I saw a good question in here. Let me see. Skylar said, I've been out for a while. What's the price right now? Right now, it is $69 a month with a 2-week free trial. But if you guys go for the quarterly or yearly option, it's discounted. And then remember, for all of you OGs, you guys still get access to the 50% off lifetime deal. So if that's something that you guys already wanted, reach out to Diana or scroll back in the announcement section. You guys all get access to the 50% off lifetime deal. We want to make sure that we're taking care of you guys, and anybody that's wants to come in here and get the 2 weeks for completely free. There's a link right there. I just threw it in the live chat, but it's also pinned to the top as well.
Yeah. Hork, I was expressing my bad. I said 5%. I really meant 0.05%, right? It's you can make 0.05%, make $125, but even half a percentage gain.
Yeah.
With $25,000 entry. But yeah. Psychology is the battle, guys. Listen, for those with the small accounts, like basically what I'm doing is putting myself in your shoes, but I'm actually taking the tried and true method. And I just want to be able to showcase what's possible, right? I feel like, a lot of people accuse me of being disenfranchised because of my portfolio size. So I'm going to go to war with you guys. We're going to have fun. We're going to have fun.
What does it? Ryan says 250K, Gabe. That Aston Martin is rented. Ryan, I've seen some things. Gabe showed me some stuff before.
It's my third Aston.
This dude's different. This dude right here is fucking different. There are some people out there in the world that just are different animals. He's one of them.
Oh, you're making me blush.
It's an interesting, like, I've seen this. He's like, oh, look at this. And I'm like, what? This dude's a great person to have on your side team teaching you. So,
oh yeah. What size are you starting with? 10,000, Daniel. I'm just gonna trade with 10,000, and I'm gonna ride that one through the year.
Nice. Daniel asks, is 2 weeks free only part of your link, or does that work for our affiliate links as well? No. The 2 weeks for free is for everybody. So all of you guys that are affiliates, you guys, it's 2 weeks for free as well for all you guys.
Tahoe Trader, have you ever traded with a much larger account than 250? I have, but then okay. So for me, again, it's all psychology, right? I said to myself, okay, so if I have 500,000 in that account, then my position is 50 grand. And remember, we talk about, it's my third Aston, James. Remember, we talk about the psychology of it and my ability to stomach, like the risk. I feel like a $50,000 allocation in anything is a little too much for me to stomach. Right. So
there's a sweet spot.
Yeah. So within my own tolerance, I feel comfortable that this is where I play, like $25,000 allocation at most. Guys, just because I'm allowed 25,000 doesn't mean I'm going in 25,000. Again, I'm extra conservative. Okay. Like, remember I talk about quarter, right? And so my entries might be a feeler, 7,500 to 8,000. That's my feeler coming in. And then I'll buy my winners. And sometimes the play reverses before I can even get the third quarter in. And that's fine, right? I get out. I'm still making money, you see. But with 50,000, then you're doing, 12.5, 12.5, 12.5. By the time, everything is said and done, it's just like, ugh, my stomach just churns. I don't know how guys can do that.
There's a sweet spot. Like, if you think about it, like if you had a $500,000 port, and it just, in your mind, it just is not, you're not comfortable there. you're probably going to end up making more money by trading with less size. There's a
Yeah.
balance.
Yeah. Yeah. There is a balance. Rose Q. What was my port size when I first started trading 12, 13, now 13 years ago? Um, I've blown up accounts. So, I mean, I've blown up a $50,000 account. I think I've blown up a $30,000 account. And this was all about learning and
Mhm.
learning. So after that second time, I was just like, wait a second, I'm blaming everything but myself. Um, and then I just literally, just started taking it seriously.
Mhm. Yeah, I think
Um,
I blew up a $13,000 account once.
oh,
Yeah. It was 12 or 13, but I ran it up there from 2.
yes,
That was in
yes.
the very beginning, and I was like, "Yeah, I can't do that ever again." That was bad. It happens to everybody, guys. Again, when you're new, you're gonna make newbie mistakes. That's why when we say these things and we put out these videos and we talk about risk management and days to expiration and strategy, it's because we've been there. And we want to make sure that you guys understand the reasoning why we're saying what we're saying, because we've gone through it and we've already been there. We want to make sure that you guys don't have to make those types of mistakes.
Motor Capronius. You're hilarious. Guys, these type of conversations, we talk about the strategy, we talk about 1348, the cross, the levels, and we literally just talk about that each and every day. But you also have to know the psychology, and you also have to know what waits for you at the end of the road, right?
Mhm.
If you follow the rules and you stick to the system, what waits for you at the end of the road? I think Tabasco Dave had brought it up. I'm also very diversified and
Mhm.
other income producing opportunities, which I would not have had I not just like buckled down and said, all right, I'm gonna make this work. And then, you know, use that income to create other opportunity. And I think for a lot of you, it's maybe the stock market is just the beginning. It's a means to an end, right? Where you go ahead and you just build your port out and say, okay, well, I'm gonna go do this now. No, I mean, I don't have to ask the bank for a small business loan. I can open my restaurant. I can do what I truly want to do,
Mhm.
and truly follow your passion. So, and that's the beauty of it too. That's why we say, guys, it's like if you make it 1% in the morning, just be done with it, because now it gives you that time freedom to go pursue passions or
Mhm.
work on a different skill. And as much as you guys are investing in the markets, I need you all to invest in yourselves, right? It doesn't matter how much money you have in the markets unless you're investing in yourselves. That money is as worthless as the person who holds it.
Mhm.
Okay, so just
Oh, yeah, we were talking about this yesterday. I think yeah, this is, like, kinda your new not new, but, like, this is kinda what you're going into 2023 with. It's like the money's not useful. It's if it's sitting there, it's not doing anything.
that's it. uh,
Yeah, and again, guys, before we get into open here, we got 2 minutes. Make sure you guys are liking the stream over here. You guys are crushing it so far. We got a bunch of you guys in here. Let's have an awesome morning, man. Um, let's see. Don't want to say how much I blew up this year, but since joining 1348, I have gone from minus 90% to minus 70% in a month. Now of 3 weeks of consecutive green days, not one red day since I committed to the rules. Sean, that is absolutely awesome, man. And again, I'll throw that free trial in there for you guys again. I mean, this stuff is life changing, and it's not just me saying it. You guys are the ones that are telling me that it's changing your lives, which is amazing.
there you go. There you go. Look at Ben Currington, 1348 has helped me buy my lighting kit for my photo studio. Man,
That's awesome.
Ben, that's good. Ben, I understand how much dude, I have two aperture 120Ds here, and the lights alone are like $1,000 a piece, and it's two separate lights. Um,
That's
Oddly
crazy.
enough, I still look like shit this morning thanks to my white balance on my camera, but
Hey, it's all
invest in
good.
yourselves. Invest in yourselves.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, Gabe, you're not gonna like this. Oh, you might. I don't think you may not care, but the short the VIX sign that I have.
Yeah, yeah. What about it?
Yeah, it's broken now.
How?
It fell. I had a lot of people in my apartment and somebody knocked it over and it just part of it cracked off. The other part of it still lights up, but it just says like the VIX. I think there's a
Okay.
warranty
You,
on it
you
though.
you don't have to give me the watered down story. You were tussling with a lady and it just got extra spicy. She knocked it
You lean
over.
back on the couch and it knocks it over. So it happens. It
And you
happens.
had that moment where you just like looked at her and said, "It's not even worth it." And you call her an Uber and send her home, right? That's really what happened.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't thrown at me. It wasn't thrown at me. Woo! All right, ding, ding, ding. The market is open, team. We got 30 minutes until all that data coming out. Let's get after it. So SPY's up a little bit around this. It's above the 13, still kind of teetering around these pre-market highs here. I got Micron in the bottom right here. So let's see what Micron ends up wanting to do. Again, I don't really like taking those reversals before 10. And it frustrates me sometimes when I see them flash before then because they look really good. We know where it's going. It's just the risk doesn't make sense. But you have to approach your trades the same way every single time and know exactly where the risk levels actually are. But let's see what happens, man. This is going to be a really, really fun day. Let's see.
Oh, Micron. Big boom booms.
You break, you buy. That sign was expensive. I'm not going to make these people pay for the sign. It's all right. I think there's a warranty on it. Let's see.
How is there a warranty against you fucking it up?
I don't know. I don't know. I need dumbass insurance.
Like, what do you put at the bottom of the form was having degen sex and it broke? Like, they're not going to warranty that.
The problem is that there's nowhere for me to put it. So it's like it was like laying on the back of my couch and it's like tilted a little. Not the couch, the sign. So like if you bump the thing a little bit, it'll fall. It's fallen many times before, but this is the one that sent it over the edge and cracked it.
No boy. Microsoft DM is
Microsoft, what's up with that? Is it well? They had, I think. Oh, you'll like this. Microsoft apparently owns a decent interest in Chat GPT, and they're creating like a Bing competitor or something using the software behind Chat GPT.
that's interesting.
Yeah, which is really cool.
But it's dying.
Yeah, well, that's a bit strange. I think there was workers union. I didn't see any crazy news on it.
Downgrade from analysts. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't see a downgrade. Micron was a lot of upgrades. Micron's ripping here. Run hard. Like if the more Micron runs in the morning, the more juicy the reversal could potentially be later.
Yes. With Microsoft, we're seeing a level at 228 at or about $2.59 away from where it's currently trading. Let's see.
You made 4% already? What'd you hold overnight, bro? That's Ask Jeeves is coming back. My brother used to call me Jeeves, and he paid me $20 one time to bring his bag around. So I was young and I needed the money. So
He paid you how much?
$20
To be his bitch. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, apparently he like sliced his finger pretty bad on New Year's too. Actually, he did essentially the same thing that I did to my finger on like New Year's Eve. He was cooking. This dude's a wild cook for some reason. He's not even a cook. He's just like the best cook I've ever seen. Well, one of his buddies from we're getting off track, but one of his best friends from high school was on Chopped one time. So he's like a crazy chef, and I guess they used to cook together. And he's just the wildest chef ever. And he just sliced his finger. So no more cooking for him.
Microsoft death. Okay. I can't find a level outside with Microsoft. I'm looking for a level here.
Yeah,
that might be a little bit closer than where we're at here, but nope. It's Microsoft wants it, baby. Look at this.
Yeah, I mean, you've got 223.50 down here. I mean, you could see 227, this little consolidation zone back here. Or no, where was it? This one. This little
Yeah, I
consolidation
have
zone right here.
228. I was trying to find an intermediate level. I can't find it, but we got 228 here for sure.
Yeah. Well, let's see. I mean, it's very possible that with the news I mean, I have zero interest in trading this thing before 10. Zero. I really do not think that we're gonna see any. Like, you could make some money on it. It's just the risk reward in my mind doesn't make sense because you'd have to have the market confirm a move in one direction, and then you're also then just gambling on the data, hoping that it would come and move the market in the same direction. That's not what we're in the business of doing over here. Micron's kind of consolidating here, right around VWAP. SPY's just chopping. Tesla
Amazon.
big boy candle. Oh, there it is. Right up to the 200. Let's see. C Kava, pretty relevant. I was young and needed the money. Nice. Hey, man, I needed the money. There goes Apple a little. All right, team. Wow, Amazon. What's up with Amazon? Tessie breaching the 200 there.
Just found Amazon's blue pill line here. So that's going to be at 85.23 at or about.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean, it's consolidating right there pretty much.
Yeah.
Tesla.
As it stands with Amazon, I mean, you do have a level which could indicate a level that it bounces from, but you also see where RSI is at. RSI could also bounce from the current value on RSI is 31.56, but it went all the way as low as 27.75. So, this
SPY
is
running a little bit here. I would say upside target on the SPY if it's breaking these levels here. 385.40 or 385.50, right around there. If it wants to run. And then the news is the wild card if it wants to turbocharge it. The new MACD is just Christmas treeing here. But this is just morning chop. Let's see if this continues. Baba slipping. Ooh, Tesla with a nice candle here. Oh, Gabe, look at this. Look at this.
what are we looking at? What are we looking at?
Baba.
Ooh. I'm looking at Tesla. Tesla turned into a call. Just breaking through mighty Viagra here. Holy hell.
Yeah, I'm not touching that. I've had a couple trades in the past with Tesla above the 200, and it's just faking you. It's like baiting you. It's like, hey, you want to take it? You want to take it? You want to take it? Nope.
Oh man, no bueno.
Let's see. C Kava. No, bro. I mean, after Ape came out, no, that was a complete disaster. Let's see. We tried to warn everybody about it, but let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. We got 400 of you in here and only 163 likes. Slackers. Slackers. All right, let's see. I mean, if Baba can get a closing candle down around 97, man, it's not bad.
Yeah, Baba needs to like release itself from the 48 as it stands right now. Just completely release itself.
Let's see. Yeah, and then we'll get Invictus at 10 as well. I mean, you might see Invictus flash around a little bit today, a little earlier, depending on the data. Because the data can move stuff all over the place, and then we'll see what Invictus wants to tell us. But Invictus yesterday was a monster. We actually go over one of the Invictus trades in the video today, the Uber one. It's such a good example of this one thing I need you guys to understand. Get it at 12. So at 12, guys, all of you guys that are in the community right now are going to get early access to it. And then the actual video is going to come out at 6 tonight publicly. If a stock is oversold and comes up to a blue pill line, is that a good reversal trade? Looking at IWM. Oh, that's interesting. Let's take a look. IWM. What do we got? I do not think IWM is oversold at this area here. It's probably overbought, man.
It's overbought like
Yeah,
all
dude.
hell.
Yeah. Yeah, like, that's
Our
very overbought.
78.38 on our side. Oh, that's never good.
No. Hold on, let me check something here. Oh, you meant overbought? Oh, Skylar, yes. Okay. So here's what I would look for. I wouldn't just say, "Oh, it's overbought, it's hitting a level, take it to the downside." For me, I love using the reversal strategy, so I will wait for it to confirm. Will I miss some of the move? Yeah, I will, but I'm putting myself in the better position to have success because let's say, for example, that it comes up to that blue pill line, crosses above it, closes, chops around, then gives me what I want to see with the reversal strategy. Well, I'd already be stopped out if it's closing above that level. So then you're stopped out, you're trying to hit it again. I would just wait for it to confirm. And
Yes.
especially with what we're seeing right now in the market, I mean, it's starting to head higher, but there's a lot of data and things that can move this market around today. So we got to be a little careful there.
This is the morning pump before the dump. It just literally has to be.
Yeah. Let's see. Neo taking off. Let's take a look. Neo's running there. Dude, everything is setting up for just nasty reversals today.
Oh
Not
yeah.
like it.
Oh. Neo's like, I don't want to be a shit stock anymore. Just literally breaking above $10. Wow.
Neo's like, hold my beer, Tesla. I'm coming for you.
Neo's also just broke a level. Neo, what are you doing? All right, so Neo's actually at this level here. I'm
Look,
gonna
look
draw
at this
that
game.
out.
Look at Micron.
Neo.
This
Oh,
is what I'm
see.
worried about. These tappy taps of the 13 and the flash below, the bounce back up.
Yeah. What goes up must come down. This looks like it can, yeah, it could be a long way down once the data comes out.
Yep. We'll see. We'll see. There's 384. You still got a little upside to that 385.50. There's still a little meat on the bone there. Where's Baba? Nope. And see,
So,
this is the thing right here, people. So I want you to understand, like, did Baba look like it was hunting the cross down and looked like it wanted to get the reversal? Yeah. But we have a level right here.
yep.
If it's not getting down below the level and you can't use that as your risk, I'm not touching it. Again, you have to be very, very picky when you're taking your trades. You have to look for your specific setup and say, well, if I'm not seeing everything that I need to see, it's not a trade.
No.
Let's see. A little selling on the SPY here. Yeah, what was the rate hike probability? 72.3. So after the jobs data, we're going to take another look at this and see what the rate hike probability is for February.
Gotcha. Oh, Apple is just chopping up.
Let's see. Ooh, 9 likes away from 200. Thank you, team. Yeah, Micron, little flicker here. How's Nvidia and AMD looking? Ooh, that was a shark and a half. Jesus. Shark fin! Took 28% on TQQQ. Done for the day. DM Ohio. Monster. Absolute monster, dude. DM Ohio is one of our resident whales. Love DM Ohio.
Yes.
What's the ankles threshold this morning? We're not doing it today. No ankles threshold today. Maybe tomorrow or next week we can do it on the morning stream. Let's see.
Oh my god. Nvidia. Holy hell.
Dude, Nvidia in the morning is a wild boy. It's like it like moves like a Tesla. It's just like it just goes all over the place.
Yeah.
SPY selling bet. See, we're just seeing the chop. Just seeing
That's
the
it.
chop.
So
What
yeah,
time did the data drop? It's at 10. Click SPY. Yeah, SPY's flashing right back down to 382.50.
ooh, Nvidia is coming right back down to the 200 blue pill line here.
Baba falling down below the 48. Let's see. I want it below here. I want it below here if I'm going to even consider it. You could. So if this was a normal day, you could risk the 13 or the 48 here and then be looking for a break of this. Not for me, though, especially not today. We got 15 minutes until the data. 4% on the portfolio with the stop loss to secure the bag. Thank you, 1348. Fuck yes. There you go, buddy. Video dropping on platform or YouTube at 2. I'm going to send the link to the video to you guys at 12. And then it's going to go out publicly at 6 tonight. 4.5% on the portfolio today, done until later on. Jesus, guys. Again, make sure that you guys are securing your free trials. For those of you guys that are new, you get 2 weeks for completely free with our brand new all-in-one platform to make sure that retail investors actually have the tools that they need to make money in the market. I just threw that link in there for you guys again, but it's in the top of the live chat if you guys are interested. Let's see, 2.1% on the portfolio done for the day. Monsters, guys. Absolute monsters. Good shit, everybody.
Absolutely. Oh, man.
Dude, I love that yesterday Invictus just like waited. This is what we were talking about this morning too, that like if you miss the morning move, you should never feel bad about missing a play because there's always another one coming. And Invictus's action yesterday is such a good example of that. Like it waited until 12:42 to start alerting and then cross. It just went nuts. They had one that reversed on Tesla here, but it was 17 for 20, 85% success rate in the second half of the day. That's filthy, dude.
That was really, really wild.
And those are predictives. It's predicting the crosses before they actually happen. That's nasty, bro.
Sure is. 1 second. Oh boy.
Oh yeah, I gotta read those. Let's see. Play classic 1348 win. Isn't play Dave and Buster's? Is that what you were doing? I probably wouldn't have touched that, but good for you. It's a small amount, but I got more than 1%, so I'm happy. Now just get to sit back and enjoy the content of the stream. Miguel, atta boy, dude. There you go. Gotta say that ADX OBV indicator with 1348 was quick in and out for 5% of your account. From Ape? Oh, there you go. I mean, good for you, buddy. I like Gabe being here at Open. He said he was missing out on the action at Open with us. Dude, I know. It's fun. We're going to do this every day, guys. So if you guys want to come back, make sure you guys have your notifications turned on for the channel. We're going to be doing these streams every single day with you guys. Let's see. All right, 12 minutes until data. And then this is the nonsense with Tesla that you see. So it ripped up above the 200, flashed up a little, coming down and testing it. So let's see what happens now on Tessie. I know I say this every day, but I cannot stress enough. If you follow the curriculum and buy into the system, it will change your life. Dale, I appreciate that, man. That's awesome, man. I know. I like Gabe being here too. Because again, like sometimes Gabe sees things that I don't see. And then you guys see stuff that I don't see either. So the more people that we have going through the market, man, unstoppable.
Boom. Now Nvidia for 9%.
I do this too. This is the one thing I'm trying to get better at, Gabe. If I say in the pre-market that I'm not going to trade until a certain time, I have to stick to it. I'm working on the discipline stuff. Like even if
but see, yeah.
No, I know you had it on it made sense.
There you go. So 8.26, that means my port is up 8.08. Now I can decide if I want to go ahead and play that reversal after 10, and then I'm done with this port and
Mhm.
I go play with something else. For me, I just could not take advantage of the opportunity that NVIDIA gave me. We had two blue pill lines. We had one at 147.04. We had
Mhm.
one at 144.69. You saw a nice rejection off of the 147. That knife candle, that big doom candle, sent NVIDIA right back to the blue pill line, which also happened to be its 200 EMA. So I
Mhm.
said, "Fuck it. This is too easy. This is too fucking easy."
There you go. Quick scalps, man. Again, I mean, we're gonna approach that like this is Gabe and I think this is the one thing that Gabe, we were talking about this, that there are some things that we do in our trading that we may not necessarily realize. And it's approaching every single trade with the same consistent approach. It's you know exactly what you're looking for, you're gonna execute on it, and there's nothing in the market that's gonna take you away from doing like approaching it and managing it the same way. It's also
Yeah.
kind of what we talk about in the video today as well. So get ready. It's another really good gem, I think. I recorded it
Oh,
yesterday.
man. We need DM to do a guest appearance with us sometime because he actually understands. Best advice is to wait for the trade to come to you and not because
Mhm.
you have to take one. And yeah, I was looking at Nvidia. That trade came to me. I was like, oh, this one's too easy. Yeah. Remember, guys, the market's a game of opportunity, right? But being able to identify high probability uh and obviously the right opportunity.
Yeah. Oh, dude, Micron here is just screaming. This is the one thing that I'm looking at on Micron, Gabe. If the data at 10 sends the market lower and Micron knifes, to me, the reversal is gone ish. Unless you can catch the risk off. If you can set your risk at like the 13 or the 48, depending on what the knife candle is. But we see that sometimes where like the data can move this thing, and then it's like, okay, well, next move.
Yeah, my only concern with Micron is that it has not tested this level that it's formed for itself
Mhm,
at 52.24. I feel like it has to come down, especially after this gap up. This is a massive gap up, right? So with bad data, I think it sends it down. She comes down to that level. Now the question is, you know, do investors just send it right back up, right? Do they step in and send it right back up, right? Because if the market as a whole tumbles, then you have traders who are looking for that unicorn, like where we going, where we going. Oh,
mhm.
Mycon's got good news, and everyone's sort of kind of like piles into that, making it, pumping it up. So
Yeah.
we'll see. We'll see. I am now not touching anything until 10 in 8 minutes.
Let's see. This data is gonna be fun. Roblox,
Oh,
what's
it
up with
should be.
Roblox? Okay, here's the deal, guys. I hate most people that like, especially people that like aren't in 1348, haven't watched the videos and just haven't been in the market for a long enough time, would chase the literal fuck out of this. They would just be like, "Oh, it's running. I'm gonna buy it." It's already up 3.92%. It's got a decent way down to VWAP right here, 2861, and then all the over and potentially all the way down to that 13. I would say not making a lot of sense here to take this thing to the upside. Just again, make sure that you guys understand those concepts of risk management that we've been talking about. SPY's doing nothing. It's just hovering 382.50. Apple just hanging around its 200 in the 48. Micron not moving. Let's see if Tesla's hovering around that 200 EMA as well. It's getting there. Boeing moving up.
Parsa, if you want to know how Nvidia was a good trade, just reverse back a little bit. You'll see how I broke it down.
Yeah,
Um,
it was what were you taking it off of the 200 to the upside? Or were you playing it down to the 200?
no, no, no. I took a 200 up.
Yeah.
Um, because it was the 200. It was also the blue pill line.
Mhm.
So, and when I saw the candle react to the level, right? I was looking at RSI, and RSI was still above 50.
Mhm. I like
So
that. That's a good one. The 200 EMA bounces, solid.
yeah,
Look at that. Quick scalp in and out, 72-cent move-ish. If this candle opens, it shoots up even higher. I mean, that's solid. It's coming back down to that level again. Let's see how it reacts.
yeah.
5 minutes until data, team.
But looks like she's coming down now, Nvidia. Uh-oh.
Let's see.
People literally pump the market to make their money. Now they're checking it out in
Mhm.
preparation for this data because they don't want to be left holding the bag.
Mhm.
See,
So
guys, this
guys,
is
if you were Gabe likes to you like to just take your gains quick.
yeah,
I like to scale out and move my stops to break even or slightly in profit. This is a perfect example of both of those strategies playing out perfectly. You're taking profit there, secure the bag. If I was using the stop loss strategy on that candle bounce, well, what were you up like 8, 9%?
yeah,
That's perfect for a scale out, moving a stop to 1 or 2% in profit and leaving it to see what happens. If it runs up and tests those day highs, you're just continuing to move your stops up and you're good to go. But if it comes back down, you're still stopped out in profit and you're good to go. This is You're trading the same way in the same approach every time. How do you expect to have consistent results without a consistent approach or process of managing and entering your trades? We're going to keep harping on that.
yes. Keep harping on it.
All right. Nancy slipping a little here. Ooh, does that mean something about Micron? Is that? Nope. Nope. Not yet. Boeing's an
Not yet.
interesting one though. Did Boeing have any news on some jets or something? Maybe make a comeback on December delivery 17 hours ago. Hmm, we'll see.
Um, let's see here.
And then we get Invictus too. That's going to be sweet. Invictus is going to be gnarly.
Yeah, yeah. Dum, 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 dum. I can't wait for him to fire off.
I know, me too. He's so dirty, dude. That I'd say that Invictus is probably one of, if not the best tools that retail investors have access to right now, and it's like the best kept secret in the market. This thing
Yeah,
is monster.
yeah. Nobody really knows a lot about it. That's fine.
No, and dude, the Ritas yesterday, didn't a lot of them hit their profit goal and then just stopped?
Yeah,
Yeah, I gotta see that data. So, guys, we do have we're testing some things out in the back end. We have these bots called Rita, which are essentially a fully autonomous trading algorithms, very similar to Pythagoras and Trader Joe. But they're trading with Invictus. So they trade a little bit differently. There's some other special stuff. We have a lot of different Ritas running, but we'll see if we can do something with that. Those have been cranking
yeah, yeah. How many readers are we testing? Quite a few.
a lot.
Invictus is a he. No, Invictus is a god. It's just
Dude. There are some times when Invictus alert stuff, and I'm just like I see these trades, and I'm like, oh my, what have we created with this?
yeah, yeah. Actually, got to try to keep up with it.
I know,
That
dude.
the I should
85% success rate yesterday. There was a day like last week or something where it was maybe not last week, but the week before it was 100%. It just nailed every one.
yeah, yeah. That was wild, right? Oh my god.
Upgrading the printing machine. We are, man.
Uh-oh.
Make sure you guys are securing your 2-week free trials. You get Invictus, Pythagoras, the predictive algorithm on the daily. And this is what I wanted to stress to you guys about these predictives. So Invictus is predictive on the 5-minute, and we have 1 minute until data. So keep an eye out on the spot here. Invictus is predictive on the 5-minute. So it's going to predict you basically 15 to 20 minutes before the cross actually happens. Now, in order for that cross to happen, price action has to go in your favor. Now, here's the interesting thing about Pythagoras that trades on the daily. If you're swing trading and you see a Pythagoras alert, it's not predicting on 5-minute candles. It's predicting on daily candles. So you're able to front run days ahead of the moves coming in. Now, a really, really good example of this here, of either a Pythagoras or just a normal 1348 crosstown on the daily, is Tesla. What's his name? Oh, Wreck-It Ralph sold those, Gabe. The Tesla Leap puts that he bought on this daily crosstown. I think he sold them yesterday at 111 at like 820%.
820.
Yep.
Listen, he had 780.
Yeah.
So it was a 40. He took on extra risk just for that 40%.
Oh, he had already made it free, scaled out,
Oh, okay.
and stops. He
Okay.
was like, yeah, 111, I'm out. All
I
right.
mean, when you start hitting those ridiculous numbers like that, it's like, if I could risk it just for an extra 40% when I'm already up 780. Jesus.
It's ridiculous, dude. You guys have been doing amazing. Yeah, we did get the data here. You took 2 Invictus yesterday. I won both. I took the other non-Invictus based trades yesterday with tight risk, and you lost both. Yeah, man. I mean, Invictus is a monster, bro.
There goes the SPY. Fuck.
Job openings 10.458 million, estimated 10 million. You got that initial knife. Let's see where this thing actually ends up going. 23% today, Vito. Oh my God, dude. 33% on the SPY put. Jack's dad. Guys, monsters. Another great work day in the books. 2.19% of the portfolio. Think I'm done for the day.
Yes, you are.
We've created monsters, Gabe. What?
Yes, you are done for the day, Pepe. He's done.
Let's see. It's teetering 382.50 right now. You got the flash down below the 200.
Yeah. It's undecided right now.
Yep.
So what data is the market looking for in order for it to like really say, all right, this is what we're doing?
I mean, oh, here it goes. So job openings way higher than expected. Let's see. I don't like anything right now. I really don't.
Who wants
don't
to
like
chase?
any of this shit. Here comes. I mean, here comes the SPY ripping up. Let's see if it tests that 385.40, 385.50. Let's see. 33% P&L, 148 bullies. Dude, monster.
Ooh,
Yeah,
wow.
if you guys, hold on, let's see. Do you guys like the new format of these streams here with me and Gabe? I love it.
Let us know.
Yeah, let us know. Also, while you're at it, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream and secure your 2-week free trial. Limited time.
Market SPY still. I'm not touching the SPY just yet, dude.
I don't like this. This is an indecision candle.
Yes. And I want to see a SPY flush.
Yeah, I mean, downside, I love this level that I have down here, this 378.17, 378. I mean, you basically just came down, tested these pre-market lows.
Yeah. RSI is down. You're Christmas trading on the MACD though. So
yeah, I don't like that.
I think to be able to get a better perspective on a trend as well is not just price action, but seeing that the RSI moving average also breaks below 50 as well, or touches, right? That confirms the trend to the downside. As it stands right now, is just literally bouncing off the 48. The 48 is really acting as support here.
Yeah. I mean, I'm hunting stuff. I just don't know. We'll see. We will see. Do you use Bitcoin as a risk on indicator? No. No. I look at dollar and 10-year for risk on, risk off.
Ooh, the 200. Oh, no.
Here it
Okay.
comes.
Oh,
There it
there you go.
goes.
There goes your flush. No, this is, oh boy. I do have a level at 380.57.
380.57. Okay, so it broke down, retesting the 200 EMA right here. Let's see. Now up 7% on the portfolio for the day, done until later on. Atta boy, dude.
Winning loser, you're done for the day. You don't need to be done until later on. Like, dude, I saw you. You killed it yesterday too.
You guys are monsters. Oh, there goes SPY a little bit. Let's see. US dollar index. Hold on. What was that? US dollar index gains to 104.24. Euro dips to 105.97 after ISM data. Nancy slipping a little bit lower here.
Oh boy, oh boy. Flashing a put signal on the SPY. We do have a level at 380.57, currently at 380.91. Uh-oh.
Here it goes.
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh boy. Here we go.
All right. I've done a little something. I got to modify
Jeremy
it.
Walker says, I like the go fuck your mother game. Oh, you'll get that at 10:30. Don't worry.
Are they going to clap me on this one? I don't know. I'm moving stops into profit, but I don't. We'll see on this.
Do you think the market's reacting properly to the data?
Properly? Yes. They're going to take that. Yep, they took it. Yeah, that was nonsense. I'm up 0.31% on the day now. That's fine. I mean, whatever. Whatever, man. I'll take it. Quick scalp.
MU curling down. I think MU was the one we were looking for today, right?
Oh, is it? I don't hate that. Micron is just like typically a slow mover. So it's not something that I really, really like all the time. But the trade that I was just in and out of was NVIDIA. Now, it easily could still do what I think it can do, but again, on days like today, I'm not taking on a whole lot of risk. I'm moving. Hello? Are you still
I'm
there?
here. 1 second.
Okay. All right, guys. In the meantime, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. We got 500 people in here. What's up, team? How we doing?
This is wild.
Yeah, there goes NVIDIA.
I'm waiting for the SPY. 380.57 to 380.50. I am waiting for a touch on it. I'm probably not going to make any decision one way or another until I see a touch there.
All right, I like that. Yeah. So essentially, this NVIDIA one that I just really, really quick scalp. Well, it was just like playing off of the classic cross down in the closing candle down below the 200. So the risk there for me was a close above the 200. But once I saw the trade shooting a little bit, I just moved the stop into profit, and I was like, "There it goes." You fucker. And it's teetered around. SPY 380.72. Let's see.
Came right down to that level. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Now what I'm looking for is a possible technical bounce off from where our side's at currently.
Interesting.
Yeah. Right back up to the 200 EMA. That's what I'm looking for.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think that's out of the question at all. Are you talking about like an RSI rim?
Yeah. So we have a level. It came right down. You see how it reacted to it? It just
Oh
came
yeah,
right
right here.
right on the blue pill line at 380.57 at or about. It reacted to it. And then you do have a level at 381.30. But I'm waiting for RSI to, react to its current state of being severely oversold. I'm really hoping to see that technical reaction, right? Where RSI comes right back up. So what ends up happening is that if RSI ends up coming back up, you get the masses who start saying like, "Oh yeah, 380.50 is a valid level," right? And they start playing that bounce, right? So that's
Mhm.
what I'm waiting to see happen. This is where I told you I would make my decision one way or another.
Yep.
If the masses buy into this being a level here at 380.50, send is running up, cool. If the masses don't buy into this being a level, then I'm waiting for a candle break below.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then Algo's saying Invictus is calling Baba. Just because Invictus is calling it, again, it's the same. It's the same trade. If it closes down below this level I have right here and it starts to approach lower, cool. If it doesn't, I'm not touching it. So that's what I'm looking at on Baba. Spy, there goes 380.56 again. Let's see. Let's see.
Oh,
There's a slip.
yeah. We're slipping. Let me see. RSI as it stands is 31.73 on this candle. Ooh, yeah. I'm not in
Point
this
chain,
play,
huh?
guys, for the record. I'm not. I am just waiting for the setup.
It slipped there. Here goes NVIDIA. Whatever. Whatever. Still up a little bit today. Not bad. Locked me in a few McChickens on Micron. Oh boy. Here you go.
Ooh, fuck. Somebody's lost their ass on the spy.
Yeah.
Really?
That's big. Is that a 380 test? Yeah, that's a 380 test here.
Ooh. Well, the put signal is valid.
Yep. Yeah.
Put
Nike.
signal is
What's up with Nike?
valid. Oh boy.
Nike was a fucker that one day we were trading the reversal on it. So the spreads on Nike are kind of icky. Where's Tesla with this? Ooh. 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 Uh-oh.
Tesla looking like it's getting ready to print that put there, huh?
Yeah, it does.
But let's
So
see.
spy, yeah, it's right back to your level here, 380.50. Can we look at Uber?
Yeah,
Yes, we can.
I'm waiting to see. Like, um, this definitely could be fun.
Uber's hunting down here, but you got the 200 pretty close. It's like 10 cents, 10, 12 cents away.
And I just dropped my phone. 1 second.
Yeah. But all right, guys, remember 2 weeks for completely free for the Trade 1348 platform. It's brand new. I know we got a lot of new people in here today. If you guys want to come test it out for completely free for 2 weeks, you guys get that limited time 2-week free trial there, man. I just threw that link in the live chat. You don't get charged for 2 weeks. You guys see the amount of success our members are having in the live chat on social media all the time. Come figure out why, man. I mean, you get real-time unusual options activity, Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, the cross is everywhere. So again, if you are interested in starting off 2023 on the correct foot, make sure you guys check that out, man. Right there. There you go. 1348 gang winning yet again. Up 16.7% on the port. 1348 is the truth. I honestly love y'all. Gritty Beats, I love you too, man. I love you too. Guys, the funny thing too is I was looking to make another TikTok about with like hate comments. And the funny thing is I couldn't find any. they're all gone now. Everybody's realized that what we're doing here is pretty much the truth. So if you guys want to be a part of something really special, you guys know where to find us. What was the data? It was job openings, job quits in ISM manufacturing. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my God, we're almost at 250 likes. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. All right, Spies. Ooh, you're hanging out above that 380.50 here. Very interesting. Very interesting. Let's see. Helps watching you do this live. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, so the afternoon streams are now going to be back private, guys. So let's see. Oh, no. RavQ, what have you done? What? Bro. RavQ is up another third. Okay, so I just want to go through a couple of these Instagram DMs that RavQ has been sending me every single day over the last couple weeks here. So again, make sure you guys are following me and Gabe on Instagram and TikTok as well. I'm Short the Vix1 on everything. Gabe is, I believe, ReviewDork 1348 on most things.
Yeah.
But 13% today. It's fucking awesome. 12% yesterday. 34%, 20%, 23%. Monster, bro. Absolute monster. Congratulations, dude. Up 30.35% up today on today's P&L. Trade 1340 is literally making every YouTuber step their game up. They can't compete, dude. I mean, again, the stuff that we have is first of its kind, best in class. It's ridiculous. This platform is going to be game-changing for a lot of you guys. Roblox hitting that 200. Yeah. Gabe, look at this. That spy move back to the upside. You
Yeah, I called it. That's why I had to grab my phone because it was like, all right, time for me to enter.
Yeah, I just had that one on NVIDIA. It was just quick. I mean, it would have been decent down here, but again, I approach it the same way every time, especially on a day like today. I'm keeping the wrist tight. If I see green, taking it.
Yep. I got my balance. This is basically how I play all day, every day. You know, and actually, you guys are seeing me like break it down, you know, but I'm actually entering these plays. This is what I'm doing before I actually go live at 10:30. And speaking of going live at 10:30, I need to get my ass going, guys. I'll see you at 10:30. That will be a private stream, Discord only, right? STV will continue on the stream here, so you guys get to just go back and forth, back and forth. And let's have some fun with it. I do have to fix the white balance on this camera, so
yeah.
I'm
and then
out.
let's do. You want to do some more call-ins at 12:30 on our 12:30 stream?
Yes, that's an absolute must.
Let's do it, team.
All right, guys. Peace out. See you soon.
See you, Gabe. Thanks for coming on.
Hey, thanks for having me. Peace.
Later. All righty, team. Let's see. Invictus IWM reversing. Yes, that's why Daily Taylor. That's why we were talking about that 380.50 level right here. I mean, where is IWM right now? Looking at where the market is, yeah, I mean, you're too close to the 200 EMA as well. Like at this point here, you're almost just looking for a classic cross. That's how I would view this. So here's what we're watching for. We're seeing if the SPY is going to come back up for another test of this 200 before it knifes or mounts it. It's an indecision zone right now in the market here, team. You're not getting notified of the live streams anymore. You should be. You should be. It's in the daily live stream section, but if not, make sure that you guys are have notifications turned on for my channel. Is it possible to put the link for the privates on platform? Yeah, we can do that. You no longer have the links in Discord. You have to reconnect your Discord account to platform. Some of you guys had some weird connection issues, and if you have any more questions, just shoot a message to Diana or Andy, and they will be able to help you get back in there. That was dope. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do those every day, team. So let's see. Yeah, Nancy moving around here, not doing anything too crazy, man. I mean, this is an indecision zone for the market here. Where's Micron? Where's Boeing? Those were the two that I were really looking at. Micron, nope. This is what I was worried about with Micron today. The flash and bounce right back up. Boeing shooting still. Yep. Boeing is dude. I'm gonna be hunting Boeing today on a reversal. Baba dead. Yeah, I told you guys about that one. I would not be looking at Baba unless it was down below this level here. Again, even though Invictus is a wildly powerful tool, you can't just willy-nilly trade everything that it says. I didn't take the Baba one because it was not down below this level. Let's see. Like some days you're going to get those days on Invictus where like it just hits everything, like the 85% ones. But you have to be able to identify when those days are actually going to be. This is an interesting NVIDIA move here. There is Nibbler. You have to reconnect your you have to reconnect your Discord to platform. It's there. The 90, it's like the 97 level on Baba. Yeah, this was like a weird connection issue that we were having yesterday. Because there was a Patreon purge. We purged a bunch of people out of Patreon. And the connections, the people, the things that the connections that just weren't supposed to be there. But you just have to reconnect your platform to Discord and you're good to go. Tesla, what's up with Tesla? It's getting there. What would you be looking for on the Boeing reversal? The link to the video of exactly what I'm looking for is in the description of this video. In this live stream. The reversal strategy video is linked in the description. So, I mean, that's exactly what I would be looking for. There's too many nuances and things to go through the entire thing right now. But everything is laid out for you guys in that reversal video. Go to settings and platform, click connect Discord, put in your password and email, and you are good. There you go. Just nailed the Amazon cross down, netted 40%. Ryan, fucking monster, dude. Again, if you guys do want the 2 weeks for completely free, it's right here for you guys. A lot of people are leading you guys to the slaughter. We're always going to tell you the truth and continue to build out the best tools for retail investors. Let's see. Yeah, Nancy, nice little 200 EMA rejection right there. Let's see. There goes Nancy. Spreads are steep on Boeing. Oh, are they? That kind of sucks. Michael, I would just say click on the new chart and refresh. So if it gets refreshed, or you just have to refresh the chart. And they should populate and pull up. Up 1.38% today on the port and done. Thank you, 1348. There you go, bro. I love it. I love you guys making money, dude. That Fed guy, who's that Fed guy? Just said rate hikes can come to an end, at least in the short term market could run if so. Who said that though? Like, I disagree. They still need to go higher. Here comes Nancy approaching new lows. Fuck. I was looking at this 200 EMA rejection here, using it as risk again, but I was asleep at the switch on that one. Let's see. Apple Sharkin. Vapor Rub, my trading view is a little bit jacked up. I set my own levels on there just because for some reason my trading view account's all fucked up and I haven't fixed it yet. Up 2% for the day now, done waiting for power hour. Dev. Trade 1348 gang wins again. Let's see. Let me see if I have any more of you affiliates to approve. Ooh, we got a few of you guys. Hello, hello, team. All right. Let's see what we're getting here. And the market's just kind of flatlined. Tessie trying. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. There goes Nancy. What's up with Trader Joe taking a loss this morning? Is that why we need to wait until after the market opens? Well, if he's taking a loss, I mean, the position's just down. And the market was rallying up a little bit. So if the position's not working, he's not going to hold it. Thanks, STV. 1348 for life. Miles, no problem, buddy. Yeah, and welcome to all of our new members here, too. We've got a really large influx of a lot of new people coming in. Shout out to Diana. You guys are, everybody in our support staff is absolutely awesome. And again, if you guys want to sign up for that limited 2-week free trial, it is linked at the top of the live chat. Let's see. Nancy, new lows, Tessie slip, Apple slip. Where's Micron? Where's Boeing? Not yet. Not yet. All of you rock and make life great. RavQ, we appreciate you, man. You've been crushing it. Yeah, there goes Nancy, new lows. I mean, maybe, Dan. It's possible. Yeah, watching Micron for the rejection play. I don't think that's the worst idea in the world. It's just not. I'm worried that it's gonna do it's gonna make one of those moves where it just keeps baiting, and then it never does it. Amazon reversal still. There's one on the Amazon. That better than Micron. No. I don't want this. Let's see. Most retail options are bearish. I mean, you can use that. I think there's been a lot of instances though where that just it becomes irrelevant. I just trade the chart in front of me, and again, I guess, I mean, you could view it that way and say, oh, because of this, they're gonna pump the thing. I mean, maybe, but it's not something that I'm gonna incorporate into my trading strategy. The thing with unusual options that I will incorporate is with swings and Pythagoras in Trader Joe. What do you think Micron's waiting for? Upside or downside? It looks like it's baiting. It's baiting to the downside. The problem is that it could just do this nonsense chop all day. Scaled out, mostly out of your Boeing. Gonna leave one runner to see what happens. If it's free, I mean, run it, bro. Good for you, money bags. I mean, dude, you guys crush it every day, man. Let's see. What on the Amazon chart made you not want it meet certain criteria for the reversal strategy? It's ready. I mean, Okay. Where's the low? The risk isn't there. There's too much risk on the table. You're essentially risking day low. I would want this histogram to show a little bit more and almost mount the 13 because then you have a lot of upside with limited downside. I mean, the RSI is peaking. Yeah, you're kind of right here. Yeah. There goes SPY back up. Done for the day. 1.3% played NVIDIA 200 rejection. Fuck yeah, Sam. You guys see it in the live chats, dude. You guys are killers. I love it. Yeah, Apple back to the 13. SPY running back up. Amazon moving a little here. Yeah, and you got VWAP right up here too with Amazon. What's this? 366. It's like the same risk. Facebook. You're teetering. It's not awful. It's not awful. Let's see what happens. I mean, you know where the risk is. You know exactly where the risk is with that one team. Baba for a reversal. Oh, not yet. There goes Spot. There goes Nancy getting killed. Let's see. Ooh, there goes Facebook. Let's see. There Micron goes. Which way? It's getting there. It is getting there. Watch that 48. That's going to be an interesting one. Let's see. Hold on. I got to check something real quick. Again, remember, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. And make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that 2-week free trial. That is not going to last forever. You guys want to come out and test out what we're doing over here and see why so many of our members are having so much success. There you go. Nancy hit your stop before it died even more. Ah, it happens. It happens. SPY teetering. Micron does look interesting. It's like 14 cents lower, though. Let's see. Took a 15% move on Micron. Nice, bro. All right, this is what we're going to do. Let's see. 15% gain on your put. Good shit, dude. So Let's see. Little bounce here on the SPY. Apple right back up. Facebook back up as well. Large bottom looks buyer still here. Yep. Yep. Can you use the new platform for us newcomers? I just got used to Discord because the same alerts still fire off in the Discord. Yeah. Yeah, right now they're on both. But you can see here that they're alerting here. You get all of the 3-minute alerts over here as well. Let's see. Will 13 work for people in Canada? Yeah. Yeah, 100%. People buy and sell shares with it all the time. That's what Trader Joe does, and Trader Joe was up 14% last year. Killed the market. So what does the new platform bring? Real-time unusual options activity, Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, everything. And you also get all of the latest news, strategic options that pull up on everything. And eventually we're going to take the alerts off of Discord, and it's all going to be on platform. I love how you almost said Canada. Sorry, it happens. SPY moving back lower. When you identify a setup, how are you determining which option to trade? I'm trading. I mean, that's all covered in all of our like 15 to 17 curriculum videos. But it's like at the money for a couple weeks or like 2 weeks out. Let's see. Baba new high. Yeah, SPY popping a little here. Let's see. But if you go on platform as well and you click this, the quick draw, it gives you all of the ones that make the most sense according to the strategy. Now, again, two days out doesn't make a whole lot of sense. These make a lot more sense. 9 days, 16 days out. Let's see. $10.37. I don't think Gabe's on yet, is he? I don't think Gabe's on yet. Oh, he is. All right, guys. So we are going to be wrapping up the live stream for this morning. Again, guys, make sure that you guys are securing your 2-week free trials. The link is at the top of the live chat. All of the Holy Trinity videos are linked in this description as well. And I have another one coming out for you guys at 12 Eastern for all the Discord members. So that's going to be out for you guys first. Then it's going to be released publicly on YouTube at 6 tonight. So again, guys, awesome morning. I know you guys were absolutely killing it. 1348 game wins again, as usual, man. I mean, you guys fucking crush it with our strategy and the teachings that we've given you. So I'll see you later. Again, welcome to all the new members. You made the right choice. So team, I will see you later. I'll throw that link in here for you guys one last time so that you guys know where to go and find the platform. But other than that, can you get someone to send you the link to Gabe's private? No, I mean, if you're in the Discord, you should be able to see it. But if not, no. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.